$500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This had been on uptrend for about 24 hours. Okay, and of course, after getting to this resistance, I started a downtrend right from here. I said you guys can jump into it once it breaks out from this trend line. Okay, so you can see it broke out from it and it's still selling at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. Also, this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. It played around there for a while, but broke out from this support zone and it gave us more selling opportunity right from there. This is still selling at the moment. Once it breaks out below that support zone, it will sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 had been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there. Sold for a while before going back up. If it's unable to go above this resistance zone, then it will go fully into a downtrend, and of course, it will sell more once it breaks out from here. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone. That is when it will buy more. Let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. This had been on downtrend for a while, and of course, it is still selling at the moment. Okay, and of course, guys, if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. And of course, this also broke out below this trend line at this point and gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it sold for long. Okay, so this has actually got into this support zone. If it breaks out below it, is going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, but for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it's going to buy more. Okay, so wait for the right signal if it's going to buy, so that you can jump into it right away. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.